The BRICS summit in Kazan, Russia marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of the group, which now includes Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and recent additions such as Iran. The summit themed strengthening multilateralism for just global development and security comes at a time when global geopolitics is shifting and BRICS is positioning itself as a key player in shaping an alternative world order. Here we are going to understand development of the BRICS in 5 points. First is de-dollarization, and BRICS pay on the most significant development at the summit is the continued push for de-dollarization within BRICS economics. This involves reducing dependence on the US dollar in international trade and promoting the use of local currencies for settlements. BRICS has long criticized the dominance of the dollar in global finance, arguing that it gives the US undue influence over other countries' economies. At the summit, the leaders reaffirmed that commitment to expanding alternative financial mechanism with Russia and China taking the lead. Central to the effort is the introduction of BRICS Pay, a financial system designed to allow seamless transaction between BRICS nations using their respective currencies. The system would bypass Western-dominated interbank mechanism like SWIFT, thereby insulating BRICS members from potential sanction and financial pressure from the US and its allies. BRICS Pay is seen as a cornerstone of this de-dollarization effort, aimed at facilitating cross-border payments, supporting trade and offering a credible alternative to existing global financial infrastructure. This development signals the group's determination to increase its collective financial sovereignty and reduce vulnerability to economics weaponizing by the West. That is the first point. Second point, India-Russia bilateral talks, strengthening energy and defense ties. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's bilateral meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin was a significant highlight of the summit. Given the evolving global energy landscape and the increasing geopolitical tensions, their discussion focused on boosting bilateral trade, investment, and defense cooperation. India and Russia have historically enjoyed a strong defense partnership, and this meeting reinforced those ties, particularly in the wake of Western sanctions on Russia due to its conflict with Ukraine. India's growing energy needs and Russia's strategic role as a major oil and gas producer were at the center of the talks. Russia has been a key supplier of energy to India, we all know, and both leaders emphasized expanding energy cooperation, particularly in areas like nuclear energy, oil and gas. The discussion also touched on regional security, with both nations sharing concerns about terrorism and instability in regions such as Central Asia, and discussions are part of broader effort to strengthen bilateral relations at a time when Russia is increasingly aligning with non-Western powers and India seeks to balance its strategic autonomy with its growing global influence. Third point, Iran's BRICS membership and strategic discussion. Iran's presence at the BRICS summit as a full member marks a significant geopolitical shift. President of Iran held crucial talks with leaders including PM Modi, focusing on trade, energy and regional stability. Iran's inclusion in BRICS is a major development as it signals Tehran's effort to deepen its economic ties with non-Western countries during US sanctions. The bilateral meeting between India and Iran focused on enhancing connectivity and trade, particularly through the Chabahar port project. Chabahar is a key element in India's strategy to bypass Pakistan and access Central Asian market, as well as support Afghanistan's economic development. Additionally, discussion revolved around the International North-South Transport Corridor (NSTC), which is seen as important trade route that can connect India to Russia through Iran, reducing dependency on traditional sea route. Iran's entry into BRICS and these bilateral talks underscore the group's growing influence in reshaping the geopolitical landscape. By fostering stronger ties between emerging economies and challenging the Western-centric global order directly. Fourth point, China expanding role and Belt and Road Initiative alignment. China under President Xi Jinping continues to play a dominant role in BRICS, promoting its global initiatives like the Belt and Road Initiative. As this summit, China participation highlighted its effort, the BRI with BRICS border development goals, including infrastructure, investment, trade and connectivity projects across members countries. Xi emphasized China's commitment to multilateralism and called for deeper integration between BRICS initiative and the BRI. This alignment is crucial for China's strategy vision of a multipolar world where power is more distributed and the influence of the Western nation is diluted. The BRI, which focuses on massive infrastructure projects across Asia, Africa and Latin America, is seen as a tool for achieving the vision. The summit discussions also addressed ways to enhance cooperation in emerging technologies, digital economies and artificial intelligence as well, all areas where China has substantial expertise and influence. We all know that. Last and fifth point, BRICS expansion and global governance reforms. One of the most noteworthy outcome of the summit is the emphasis on expanding BRICS membership and reforming global governance institutions like the United Nations. Several emerging economies, including Argentina, Saudi Arabia, and Egypt, have expressed interest in joining BRICS, attracted by the group's growing influence and its potential to offer an alternative to Western-dominated institutions like the IMF and the World Bank. The year's summit saw calls for reforming the UN Security Council, with BRICS members, especially India, pushing for greater representation of developing nations in global decision-making process. This aligned with BRICS broader vision for democratizing international institutions and ensuring that they reflect the realities of 21st century, where emerging economies play a such larger role. Expanding BRICS membership could significantly alter the global power structure, as it would bring together a more diverse group of nations with shared goal of fostering economics development and challenging Western hegemony in global governance. The summit set the stage for future discussion on how to integrate new members while maintaining BRICS strategic coherence. So, conclusion. The 2024 BRICS Summit in Kazan marks a critical role for the group as it seeks to redefine the global order in the favor of a more multipolar world. The push for de-dollarization, strengthening energy and defense ties between India and Russia, Iran's entry into BRICS, China's expanding role, and discussion around BRICS expansion all highlight the group's growing ambition to challenge the dominance of Western-led institutions. These developments underscore BRICS' role as a counterbalance to Western power and its increasing importance in global geopolitics and economics.